to her home and thank you with cake and all that. Then you've been played by the emotions. Okay? So this answer is perfect. Now, coming to your reply. She may be suspicious what she is doing. Why she is, whatever problem she had, her gadi broke down, or what time of the day is, you have to ensure her safety also. So you first check the credibility. From where you have come, why you want to go, what happened to, what made you wait over here. The first you will ask her 3, 4, 5 questions and satisfy yourself. But she is just single girl. Think one girl. It's not group of girls or dacoits or something. And if something happens, you are powerful enough, strong enough to handle the situation.
If she has a gun,
mentioned over there. If she had one, if she does that, if no offense, but simple situation.
ఆర్టీసీ బస్సు లొట్లు వేసుకొని మరీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఏం భయం ఉండదు నీకు.
Okay, no further discussion. Last.
when you arrive for interview, you find everything forward. I know that I am at my best and tell myself that I prepared well for the interview.
Simple, very good. Perfect. Okay, now, what situation 20 demanding from you when you arrive for interview, you find everyone looking better and is smarter than you. So, you may develop some kind of inferiority complex. But why? Why inferiority complex? You have done your preparation. Don't write this also, I will ignore that focus. Don't write this also. Yeah, I know that I am the best. I am at my best. I know I am at my best. And tell myself that I prepared well for the interview. That's it. 2 lines on the point. That's it. Yeah.
Motivate myself and perform to my best in the end.
Why you will be motivating yourself? You are
Because they are
demotivated.
looking smarter.
No. Please do not give this answer. Okay, I will motivate myself. It means you are demotivated by looking at them. So this answer is perfect.
Sir, in my mind, I am the smartest and the best. I will be confident and give 100% in the interview.
This is also correct. But the words which are used over here, I find this better than the rest. Understood? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we are going to handle SR. Okay. Today we have just done 20 SRT and I had given you 25 minutes 20 SRT, whereas you only 10 minutes were required. And 10 minutes were required, and these are 10 minutes, 30 seconds each. You were supposed to be writing 2 full sentences. If not 2 full sentences, at least 1.5 line. At least 1.5 line. If you give me 1 line answer, you do all 60 SRT, that will not be acceptable. Don't be in a hurry to give me all answers of all 60 SRT, giving me half liner or 1 single liner. Please speed up. Okay. At one place you said you could not understand the meaning of some word. Okay. So now you have to work upon all these things. Your English, your vocabulary, your writing speed, and how to frame the sentences. The way it was answered, you perfect answers, very good answers.
Sir, are you going to fetch negative marks if you keep any blank incomplete sentence?
See, you don't have to leave any situation in between. Example which I gave you. If you do only 50, so then it should be from situation number 1 to 50. But don't do this thing you have done from 1 to 60 and you have left 5 situations in between. That will go against you. Don't do that mistake. It simply means you are running away from the situation. तो वो गलती नहीं करनी है. सारे करो 1 से 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11th नहीं आया, you may come on to the 12th. Immediately revert back to the previous one. Then 13, 14, 15, 16, like this you got to handle the situation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So with this we close the chapter on SRT.
Yes, sir.
Okay? We have discussed enough. Now we are left with 34 minutes. I will discuss about self-description.
Yes.
Yesterday I gave you one task to write about self-description. I hope everybody has written.
Yes, sir.
Is there somebody who has not done it?
No, sir.
Okay. Please take out, revise it, and I will discuss those. I just come into minutes.
రాసారా చెప్పండి
कि